Have you applied to hundreds of jobs and still have not received a single interview? You are not alone. The American job market has become extremely competitive. Many technology jobs receive hundreds of applicants for a single opening, and nearly 47% of tech professionals are actively looking for new opportunities. That means you are not only competing against unemployed job seekers, you are also competing against experienced professionals who already have jobs and are searching for something better. If you're using the same strategy as everyone else, you are competing with everyone else. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact method I use to get recruiters calling me almost every week. This same strategy has helped people I have mentored to land interviews and new jobs. So let's get started, guys. The first mistake I see many people make is uploading their resume to every job board they can find. It sounds like a good idea, but in my experience, it usually leads to dozens of phone calls and emails from staffing agencies that never turn into actual interviews. Many staffing recruiters are trying to fill the same position and contacting hundreds or even thousands of candidates. That does not mean staffing companies are bad. Some people get hired through them, but I prefer a different strategy because it has helped or it has worked much better for me. Here is exactly what I do. Let's say I'm looking for a business analyst position. Okay. The first thing I do is open LinkedIn, Indeed, Dice, or any other job board. I search for the exact position I'm interested in. In this case, I'm going to search for business analyst. I look for the business analyst position. So when I find the job that looks interesting, for example, this business analyst position, I like it. I don't immediately click the easy apply button. Instead, I look at the company that is hiring. You can see it right here. Core site is in Denver, Colorado. They're hiring for this position, business analyst. Then I carefully read the job description. This is the job description. You can read the job description. Yes, here is something many people don't realize. You do not need to know everything listed on this job description. If you meet about 75% of the qualification and you're confident you can learn the remaining skills, apply anyway. Companies often hire people who don't meet every requirement. Don't reject yourself before the company has a chance to evaluate you. So after you comfortable with the job requirement, or written after you read the job description, then you can go directly to the company career page. In this situation, this company core site is one hiring. So we're going to go to this core site career page. Okay. Core site. I'm going to search for that company core site. And I'm going to go to their career page. I search for the same position from their career page. It's the same position, business analyst, same position that we saw on LinkedIn. It is right here. Okay. So after I search for the same position, I will now submit my application there instead of relying on the easy apply. This is why. Because I want my application inside the company own hiring system. In my experience, I have received more recruiter calls by applying directly through company career pages than by relying only on job board applications. Your result may vary, but this approach has consistently worked well for me. So here I'll click the apply button and accept the condition, fill in the form, and submit my application. Looking for a job is a full-time job, guys. Treat it like one, please. Set a daily goal. Apply 5 to 10 quality jobs every day. Don't spend your day sending hundreds of random applications. Focus on jobs that match your skills. And here is why the math works. Okay, here's how that math really works. Let's say 10 applications a day, 50 applications in 1 week, 100 applications in about 2 weeks, around 300 applications in 1 month. The more qualified application you submit, the more opportunities you create for interviews. Job searching is partly a number game. Guys, look at this position again one more time. Business analyst position. Over 200 applicants have click the easy apply button. That is exactly why you need a better strategy than everyone else. In my experience, applying directly from the company careers page gives you or your application a better chance of being reviewed than competing with hundreds of easy apply submissions. This is something many people skip. Create a spreadsheet, track every single application, include like company name, the title or the position you're applying for, um, salary, the location of the position, the recruiter name if necessary, the date you apply for that application, and the status of the application, and so on. Okay, this simple habit keeps you organized and prevent you from applying to the same position twice. It also helps you understand which companies respond the fastest. Personally, I I have often heard back from recruiters within 3 to 5 business days after applying directly through every company. uh, Applying directly through applying directly, even though every company has a different hiring timeline. Okay, for example, I just gonna put like um the position that we apply for. So I just put the date, and then the company was call site. The position was business analyst. I think the salary was between, I'm not sure, 90K through 100K. The location thing was remote. I don't have the recruiter name yet. Once they contact me, I'll put that. Status should be if I have screen interview or phone interview or an interview has been set, and comment, and then I can just add a comment or a note. Okay. So I do that every time that I apply for a position directly from the company careers page. Okay. All right. So the biggest mistake people make is not having bad resume. It is not lacking experience. It is giving up too soon. Have seen people stop applying after sending maybe 20 applications. 20 application is not much in today's market, guys. Consistency wins. Consistency wins. Keep applying, keep learning, keep improving your resume. Eventually, someone will give you the opportunity you are looking for. All right. If you are serious about finding a new job, here is my advice to you. Stop spending, stop depending on one click applications. Research the company, apply directly through their career page. Apply consistently every day. Track every application and don't let rejection stop you. You only need one company to say yes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm starting a new series where I will share practical job search strategies, interview tips, resume advice, salary negotiation techniques, and lessons I have learned from working in the American job market. Leave a comment below and let me know what's been the biggest challenge in your job search. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.